Hey Sandra, my name is Nasos, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is Roseville Landscape Materials. It is very often in the world of the internet that most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free, that has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Nasos, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up in my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. And this is your website. And your website needs to have at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. And you guys have approximately 500 words. This guy's over here, which is your number 1 competitor, he also doesn't have content, which makes our life a little bit easier. Every month, people are searching for keywords about 1,000 times, and you miss of not being number 1. For instance, in this keyword, landscape materials, Roseville, California, the monthly average volume is 40. You are number 29, and your competitor, they are number 1. They are getting that traffic. So there are so many keywords that they are ranking for number 1. Let me move. And you are ranking just for 4 words, and for these you are like way down below. So let's go here to this search query and look at the map section over here. This is called the Google Map Pack or Maps, and underneath there are 3 results. These results show name, address, and phone number. So now you are asking, hey Nasos, how do I rank in maps? I told you I read minds. To answer your question, we use some special software we have, and we are checking that you have, let's say, 28 citations and the competition has 38. So once again, a beatable area, we can conquer the competition. So what we do is those citations are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit as a citation. To beat them with citations, we need to have the citations they have and a little bit more. Let's go back to our search query, and we're leaving the maps, and we're going to the organic section. And this takes us to the 3rd thing that I want to cover with you, which is another very important aspect to Google. We call this thing that gives your site authority link juice, and you can see when we search for landscape materials Roseville, California, your site is not number 1. Actually, it's number 29. It's in the 5th page or something. These guys are over here are your number 1 for this particular keyword. what is there and what you want to do is you want to beat out the competition in every aspect. This link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to site B, and therefore site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that, and the link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative link sites linking back to at you. So, for example, if you have a relative site linking to you that would be more effective than something else, then you using that is more relevant to you. If we go to Ahrefs again, we see you only have 2 referring domains that giving you 22 backlinks, and your competition over here has, if we look, they have 46 referring domains and 258 backlinks. Again, that might seem a lot, but it's still, and it's very beatable with time and for us. And if we further do our research, we can see which links they are ranking for, and we can take every single link they have and go after them for your own website. So once again, we went over number 1, content, where your front page needs at least 1500 words. We talked about citations, where you want to have as many as your competition has and a little bit more. And the third is link juice, where you need to have more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement those strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google in a short period of time. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 980-240-6956. Once again, my name is Nasos, and my number is 980-240-6956. I look forward to hearing from you, Sandra, and have a great one.